As students, we will going to discuss about call by reference today. Very simple one. So I taken the variable integer car is equal to 25. You can able to see here. Okay. So before printing this value, so what we are going to do? We are going to create one user defined function. So I will going to pass this variable to that function. So that one we will going to discuss here. So here what I will going to do. So before or modification or before passing the value, I will going to print this value printf uh, before modification percentage d. So that is car, my car. So next I will going to call some function here, like so any company, manufacturing company, you take it. So that is a function, yes or not. So I will going to take any manufacturing company like uh, like BMW company. I will want to take BMW. So here to BMW function, I will going to send some address, that is car address. How you will going to represent that car address? This address. So car will going to have a value that is 25. So like this you can able to see in the program here. So you can able to see car 25 is there. So this variable will going to have a memory location in the RAM. So that one I will going to show you in the pictorial way. So this is memory location in the RAM. So that is, you can able to see this is car variable name. This is car fine. Again 25. The value is 25. Okay. Again I will going to make the address for that car. So like 8845 address is there for that car. So I think it's very clear. So this address you can able to see 8845. I am passing to the BMW function. How you need to pass? I will going to show you that one. To pass the address, you have to use the operand, that is address of that particular variable, that is car. Again semicolon to call the function. Calling function. It will be a calling function now. Okay. So after modification, so you will going to do some calculation, right? So after doing that calculation or processing, so you will going to print some answer. So that one I will going to print. For that, what I will going to do? I will going to copy this one. So here I will going to paste it. So that is after modification I will going to write before, here after modification I will going to write. So let's write a function now for BMW function I will want to write. So for that, void BMW. So function here so have to take the input from the calling function. So that is actual parameter. You can able to see address of car. This is my actual parameter. Have to take the input address to the formal parameters. I will going to take, we are using the method that is reference method, call by reference method. That's why it is a type integer. That's why integer. I will going to make a one variable, that is star like jeep. I will going to write, that is my variable here. To take it as jeep. Again create a body. Here what I will going to do, I will going to increment the jeep value. So like pointer value star jeep, that is equal to pointer jeep that is equal to, I will going to increment like $75, like that. I will going to increment the value $75. So after the calculation, I will going to print the pointer printf here after the modification, after the modification. So here that is an integer, that's why percentage d. Again make it next line. Okay, here also please make next line. Again here also next line you create. Fine. Again here comma. Again pointer jeep you need to mention here. Okay. So, fine. So I think everything is clear. We need to declare one more thing, that is prototyping. So what I will going to do, I will going to just copy this one for prototyping. Here you can able to mention here. So either this way also you can able to mention, or you can able to mention without variable. Just make it as an integer pointer like this. This is also one way. So let me compile this one. I think we don't have any error. So actually what value we have to get it here. So print before modification we have to get 25. So after modification, so we are passing the address that is pointing that particular address. Jeep is pointer. It is pointing the particular car address. In that we have a value that is $25, $25,000 like that. So I am incrementing the Jeep value, pointer value. Sorry, we made a mistake here. Just plus. Okay, adding pointer value that is $75,000 like that. You take it value, just value. Okay, so after the calculations, what I will after modification or calculations, I'm printing this value that is Jeep value. Okay, so let me run this. So 25 plus, that is we are having address 25, pointer Jeep holding the value that is 25 plus 7500, we have to get it. See here we can able to see before modification it was 25. We can able to see here before modification it was 25. After modification we are getting 100. See before, you can able to see this one. You can able to see this one. This. So before modification, so we are getting this value. This value 25. Again, so this control comes here, it will going to print this value before modification. After control comes here, BMW function, calling function. So it will call that function. Okay, so this is main is a calling function. So void BMW integer pointer Jeep is a called function. This will become a called function now. This one is a called function. So when the control comes here in the function, calling function, immediately the controls comes to the called function, that is this void BMW pointer Jeep. So it will come here. Again it will do the calculations. It will going to process the computation. So here we have a value that is 25. Already it is pointing that particular address. In that you are going to find 25 plus 75. You are going to get the 100. You can able to see that's what we are printing here. That is pointer Jeep. Okay. After printing, it will come back here. Again it will going to print the car, variable car. So nothing but it will be replaced. The value will be replaced over there. In place of 25, it will be replaced 100. So see here, in this we can able to see this. So before it was 25, after that it is 100. So when it is doing in the modification in the form of parameters, after returning into the main function, it will print as a 100. So let me show you something. Here we have two variables, that is one is car, another one is Jeep pointer. So Jeep is also a variable here. For that I am writing a memory location. So what I will going to do, I will going to write a variable that is Jeep. So a little bit. Jeep is a variable. So Jeep will going to have an address. I will going to say 0 is an address, Jeep address. Again, Jeep is holding the address 8845. So this address belongs to car address. This address belongs to car address. Nothing but Jeep acting as a pointer here. So you need to understand very clearly. Jeep is acting as a pointer here. Okay. Jeep is acting as a pointer here. It is pointing that particular address, that is star. We will want to mention the pointer in the symbol star or asterisk. Okay, so Jeep is pointing that particular address. In that address we have a 25 value. Okay, I think it's very clear. So that is what, so we here you can able to see this value, address value is copied to pointer. Nothing but pointer will going to hold the address of car address. Pointer, G pointer will going to hold the address of car address, car variable address. Directly it is pointing that particular value. That's what. So this is all about call by reference method. I think it's very clear. Thank you very much.